Hello everybody, how are you today? This is Bahara Masaili, and in this video I'm going to teach you about prepositions. Okay, you know that prepositions are very important in English, so it is very important to know which word can come with which prepositions. Okay, and I want to teach you something about prepositions in, at, on. Okay, so if you want to know about prepositions, please watch this video until the end. And okay, I think that it is very important to know about prepositions. So let's go through the first part of this video. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I want to introduce you some words with the preposition at. Okay, are you ready? Listen. We say, I'm at home. I'm at work. I'm at school. I'm at a beach. I'm at a restaurant. I'm at a bank. I'm at the airport. I'm at a gym. Okay, now let's go through the next part, in. Okay, ready? Let's go through the next part. Okay, now I want to introduce you some words that comes with the preposition in. Okay, are you ready? Let's listen. For example, I'm in a bed. I'm in a bed. I'm in a car. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in Chicago. I'm in Australia. I'm in a meeting. I'm in a park. Okay, now let's go through the next part, the preposition on. Okay, let's go. Now I want to introduce you some words that comes with the word on. Now let's listen. I'm on a bus. I'm on a plane. I'm on a train. I'm on a boat. I'm on the street. Okay, now this is the end of this part. The preposition that I told you that I want to introduce you some words with some special prepositions, some specific prepositions that they are in, on, and at. Okay, now let's go through the next part of this video. Okay, let's go. Now, prepositions of time. We use in with parts of day. And okay, not specific times. Okay, and we can use it with months, seasons, years. Okay, for example, I read in the evening. Say in the evening. Or the weather is cold in December. Or also we can say we rake leaves in the fall. Okay, fall is a season. Okay, and another, I was born in 1996. Okay, no, I was born in 1990. Yes, I was born in 1996. Okay, I think so. 96? Oh no, I was born in 1986. Yes, 1986. Okay, let's go through the next part. Now, preposition at. Okay, we use at with times of day. And also, we use at with noon, night, and midnight. Okay, now let's take a look at some examples. Okay, I go to work at 8 o'clock. Say at 8 o'clock. He eats lunch at noon. Okay, say at noon. She often goes for a walk at night, not midnight, yes, at night. And okay, another example with midnight. Okay, not I. Okay, maybe I go to bed at midnight. Okay, I know it's very late, but maybe it's possible. Now, let's go through the next part. Okay, the next part I want to teach you something about the preposition on. Okay, and now I can tell you here, on can be used with day. Okay, for example, she works on Wednesdays. Okay, she works on Wednesdays. Or she does laundry on Saturdays. Okay, she does laundry on Saturdays. Okay, let's go through the next part. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. And also, if you like it, please share with your friends. And don't forget, please, like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell in order to know about my new videos. And I will be back here with a new video. Okay, let's go. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.